guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making baked Alfredo pasta. And so for this we will need half kg of chicken breast cubed, a half teaspoon of red chili flakes for spice, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of oregano, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and half teaspoon of garlic. So I'm going to start by adding in some olive oil into this pan, and I'm going to add in our garlic.
Oh my god!
So now I'm going to add in our chicken breast.
Oh my god!
And our spices now.
Are you scared of that thing?
Okay. So this is half teaspoon of red chili flakes. Half teaspoon of salt. Half teaspoon oregano. And 1 teaspoon of black pepper. So now I'm gonna mix this. While the chicken is cooking, it would take around 5 minutes. We're going to be making our sauce that will go in the chicken. So I have 1.5 cup of chicken broth, which is simply just chicken, water, and salt. And I have 1 packet of cream of 200 ml, which I'm just going to add in here. And I'm going to mix this.
It's time for the pasta!
This is 1 packet of pasta of 500 grams. And I'm just gonna let the cream mix in a bit, and I'm going to add in our pasta. Can you hold this?
Ooh, it looks good.
So I'm just gonna add our pasta in here, and I'm going to mix this.
It should be well mixed.
Yeah. Now the chicken is cooked, I'm gonna turn our stove off, and also our sauce has mixed in with our pasta. So I'm going to add in our chicken to our pasta. So I have put the pasta in this pan, and I have 1 cup of cheese here. I'm just going to be putting half of this cheese over here,
Yum.
and
It's a lot of cheese.
I'm just going to spread this over. And I'm going to put the lid on and bring this to a broil so that the cheese melts. And I'm going to take the other half and put this over here. I put the rest of the pasta in this pan, and I'm going to let this broil, but in the oven this time. So this one has broiled and the cheese has melted. Ooh, the top is hot. Okay, there. No. So the cheese is melted. I put some oregano on top for decoration, and it looks really good. I'm gonna have it with my family now. I'll see you guys in the next video. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. Bye!
Bye!